Hello everyone, welcome back to Genzbots. This is the Genzbots Studio Workflow Designer, where you can build automations using drag and drop, AI Copilot, and workflow recording. Now let's quickly go through the platform. At the center, you can see the designer panel where workflows are created. On the left side, we have the activities panel, variables panel, and the project panel where you can manage workflows, inputs, and outputs. Next, errors panel. We have runtime errors tab and validation errors tab. On the right side, we have AI Copilot panel, properties panel, output panel, and AI usage section where you can track your AI usage information. At the top, you'll see shortcut icons for quick access to commonly used actions. Now moving to the main menu. Under projects, you can access recent projects and execution history. The quick history section shows recent runs, while the detailed execution history provides extended information including successful and failed executions. You can also export the execution data. Under examples, you'll find more than 30 sample workflows covering many commonly used automation scenarios and activities. Templates, charts, and connect modules are currently under development and will be released in upcoming updates. The scheduler allows you to schedule and run automations on the same machine. Under tools, you can manage robot, browser extensions, and Excel add-ins. In settings, you can customize your studio preferences and configurations. Under the help menu, you can access documentation, community support, release updates, FAQs, and upcoming tutorials. You can also connect directly with our Discord community and receive community updates inside the platform. Finally, under the account section, you can view your current subscription plan and explore upcoming Pro Plus features. In the upcoming videos, we'll continue exploring AI Copilot, workflow recording, automation building, and more advanced features. Thank you for watching Genzbots Studio.